In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot two columns as a line chart in Google Sheets on desktop. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you can create a clear, visually appealing line chart with ease. Whether you're trying to analyze data or simply want a graphical display, this process will help you achieve that in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll need to open your Google Sheet and identify the two columns you want to plot. It's important that these columns contain the data points you wish to visualize, and if your sheet is a bit cluttered with various data, feel free to isolate these two columns for a cleaner view. Selecting them is simple. Just click and drag your mouse over the cells in both columns to highlight them. This action lets Google Sheets know which data you'll be working with. Once you've selected your columns, turn your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Chart. This is where the magic really starts to happen as Google Sheets generates a base chart for you. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the chart editor open up. Within this editor, you'll find various customization options. However, first things first, make sure the chart type is set to Line Chart. Google Sheets might default to a different chart type, but don't worry. Click where it says Chart Type and choose Line Chart from the list. This ensures that the data is presented in the simple linear format you're aiming for. After you've confirmed the chart type, pay attention to how the data is organized. The first column of your data selection should automatically be used as the x-axis. This usually represents your independent variables, often a time series. In contrast, the second column should be displayed on the y-axis, usually representing your dependent variables. Make sure this setup is accurate, as it significantly impacts the interpretation of your chart. For those who love a bit of customization, the Customize tab in the chart editor is your playground. Here, you can adjust the labels, colors, and titles to your liking. A well-labeled chart not only looks professional, but also helps anyone reading it to understand the data at a glance. You can change the chart title, label the axes, and pick colors that are both aesthetically pleasing and easy to differentiate. And that's how you plot two columns as a line chart in Google Sheets on desktop. With just a few clicks, you've transformed rows of data into a meaningful and accessible visual representation. Whether for work, study, or personal projects, this skill is a fundamental tool in your data analysis arsenal.